don't need a real estate license, obviously, to buy, but or to flip or invest. But I think having one for me has enabled me to make better decisions and choices just because I'm in the thick of things.
Right.
But my clients who don't, like if you were my client, you don't have your license, you've got me. So you've got me to, one of the things I like to talk to my clients about is making good decisions. So people can get caught up often in a multiple bidding war or even buying something because they just want to buy it because they like Monopoly and they feel like, and I always talk to people about making good economic wise decisions for each person. Everyone's story is different. My portfolio may be different from yours, Dwan. You may be a different investor or buyer than I am. So I try to get to know each person so we can then come up with a strategy that fits each person's needs.